What if I told you the next inflation shock won't come from the Fed, oil prices, or even China's factories? Right now, US ports are jammed. Amazon is killing orders mid-transit, sacrificing sellers to avoid tariff chaos. And the US-China trade war, it's about to hit your wallet, and hard. This is Finomics, and today we expose how a $28 billion freeze, paralyzed ports, and a single leaked memo just rewrote global trade. This isn't a supply chain crisis. It's economic warfare, waged with spreadsheets. On April 3, 2025, China didn't announce a trade war. It launched one. Without warning, it ordered state-owned airlines to freeze new Boeing deliveries. That's 84 aircraft, grounded, wiping $28.4 billion off Boeing's market value in 48 hours, according to the Bloomberg. No press conference, no negotiation, just silence. And that was only the opening move. The real weapon? Friction. More than 71,000 shipping containers are now stranded, enough to wrap around the Earth twice. Freight prices? A 40-foot container from China to Long Beach exploded from $1,950 to $6,820. For your family? That's $1,200 ripped from budgets this year, enough to cancel a vacation or drain savings. From Vietnam's ports at 98% capacity to 12-hour trucking delays at the Mexico border, global logistics are cracking. This isn't substitution, it's fragmentation. But the most dangerous moves never make headlines. According to the FDA, China is now delaying export licenses for 30% of America's active drug ingredients. They've restricted rare earths, the metals behind EVs, missiles, and AI chips. And China's Treasury debt holdings, lowest since 2011, according to the US Treasury Department. If ports stay jammed through August, expect 30% pricier holiday gifts, if they arrive at all. This isn't just inflation, it's a controlled demolition of globalization's most profitable route. And if Beijing next targets the dollar itself, the shockwave won't hit shelves, it'll crater markets. This is Finomics. The trade war just went silent. The damage won't.